In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted lists in Trello. Before we dive in, an important note up front. In Trello, lists you think are deleted are usually archived, and those can be brought back. Truly deleted lists, such as ones removed through external tools or automations, can't be directly restored. With that in mind, I'll show you the quickest way to recover archived lists from your board. Start by opening your Trello board where the list used to live. Make sure you're on the correct workspace and board, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Restoring only works from the board that originally contained the list, so being in the right place matters. Next, look for the three dots on the sidebar to open the board menu. Depending on your layout, this might appear as Show menu or an Options icon. This menu is where Trello keeps board-level tools that aren't visible on the main canvas, including your archive. From the menu, choose Archived Items. This is the holding area for anything you've removed from the active board view without permanently deleting it. You'll see a search field at the top, which is helpful if you remember part of the list name or want to filter results on busy boards. Now switch the view to Lists. By default, Trello often shows archived cards first, so make sure you're looking at the List section. Here you'll find every list that was archived from this board. If you don't see what you expect right away, try using the search box to narrow down by the list title or a keyword you remember. When you spot the list you want, look for the option to send it back to the board, typically labeled Send to Board or Restore. Clicking that will unarchive the list and place it back on your board. Trello usually returns the list to the far right, so if you want it in a specific spot, just drag and drop it into position. Any cards that were in the list when it was archived will come back with it, preserving their order and details. If you can't find the list under Archived Items, it likely wasn't archived from this board, or it may have been permanently deleted elsewhere. In that case, recreate the list manually, and if the cards still exist in the archive, bring those cards back individually. That's it. Use Archive rather than Delete when you want the option to restore, and you'll always have a safety net for your lists.